Search Titipo on YouTube. We're sorry, Eric.
The little trains have gathered by the rotary.
Hey guys!
Oh, hi, Eric. Hello.
Have you heard the good news?
What news?
In a few days, there's going to be a festival at the plant.
Festival?
That sounds like so much fun.
Doesn't it? There will be singers and fireworks too.
Wow! Even fireworks? So exciting.
Yeah, how about we go together?
Sure, sounds great.
Yeah!
I'm going to head in. Remember our promise.
Okay. Eric seems super excited. He really does.
It's finally the day of the festival.
Should we go now? But Eric's not here yet.
Why's he late when he's the one who asked us to go? Oh,
Hey guys, I'm here.
We were waiting for you. Come on, let's go.
You'll have to go without me.
what?
How come? Why?
I suddenly got a shift.
That's too bad.
I hope you have fun today.
Thanks, buddy. We sure will.
No, Eric, we couldn't go without you. Yeah, we wouldn't have any fun.
That's really nice of you to say. Oh, I should hurry. See you later.
Yeah, have a good shift.
Goodbye, Eric.
Tizo, how could you say we'd go on our own?
Oops, my bad.
To be honest, I'm a bit disappointed. Yeah, I wanted to go too.
Phooey. We finally get the same day off, and this happens.
I know. Let's think of something else.
Hey, guys, let's peek. An itty-bitty quick look for curiosity's sake.
No, what if Eric finds out about it?
We'll take a quick look and come back. He'll never know.
You think so? It sounds all right to me. Guess if it's just a quick look.
It'll be fine. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Diesel, wait for us!
The little trains are at the production plant where the festival is being held.
Wow! They have train painting too. I'm gonna ask for a Guardian X design.
Someone's singing on stage. This is so cool.
Yeah, let's go see.
Okay.
Oh, hey guys, we came for a quick look, remember? Wait for me. Wow, she's amazing. You and me, let's stay together always. We are best friends through and through. Twinkle, twinkle, shine bright, our most precious friendship. Whoa! Wow, it's so pretty! Yeah!
It's the next day.
Yesterday was a lot of fun, but I feel guilty because we went without Eric. Me too. Yeah, I ran into him this morning. Hi, Eric. Morning.
Good morning, Loco.
He seemed down and deflated.
Is it 'cause he missed the festival?
What do we do? There must be some way we can cheer Eric up.
That night after work, the little trains took Eric to the ocean.
Eric, isn't it nice to be out?
It is nice, but what are we doing here, guys?
Since we missed the festival, we thought we could all hang out tonight.
Oh, I see.
Wow! Look at the sky! Shooting stars! Wow! There's one over there!
Hey, and there too!
It's like a fireworks show!
Fireworks show? Oh.
This must remind Eric of the festival. I have to think fast. Hey guys! Let's stop stargazing and go watch Guardian X! What a good idea!
Tonight's episode is supposed to be great.
Come on, let's go, Eric!
Yeah.
The little trains have arrived at the auditorium.
I can't wait for it to start!
Me too.
One of them was the festival at the train production plant, right?
That's right. We have some footage of the festivities.
Hello, everyone. I'm here now at the Train Production Plant Festival.
Huh?
Oh, no, that's...
The Train Production Plant Festival.
As you can see, there are many events for all ages. We're on TV. There are also many Diesel, do something quick! Available, so everyone is special.
Oh no! I'm in pain! Please help me! Oh!
Then why not come join the fun? Diesel's in a lot of pain. What should we do?
What's wrong, Diesel?
Don't know. I need to see Teo now. Oh!
Hang on, I'll take you there.
Coming up next, Guardian X.
Yeah!
Guardian X.
Diesel, hurry and link up.
I think I'm all better now.
What? But you were moaning in pain.
Yeah, but I'm fine now. Oh, look, it's Guardian X.
Let's watch. Diesel seems as good as new.
Well, if you say so.
Titipo Titipo. That was fun.
Hey guys, I'm going to call it a night.
Already?
I have something to do. Goodbye, guys.
Okay, good night, Eric.
I guess our plan to cheer him up didn't work.
He's sad because he missed the festival. So why don't we have a special event just for Eric? An event just for Eric? Let's turn our town into a fun and exciting festival.
Whoa, that's a great idea.
I'm sure Eric will love it. Totally. All right, let's start first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
The next day, the little trains are busy preparing for the special festival.
We have to hurry. Yep. Andy, we're having a special festival
Titipo is
in our
asking
town,
Andy
and I
the
was
artist to do some train painting.
When it comes to rap,
Genie and Loco are asking Fix and Lift to put on a performance.
Teo.
And Diesel is at the plant to see Teo.
You want fireworks tomorrow?
Yes. But don't tell Eric, okay?
Oh, don't tell Eric? Oh, sorry. I'm afraid I can't. I have another commitment.
Seriously? Oh.
It's the day of Eric's special festival.
Wow! It looks great!
But too bad we couldn't have any fireworks.
It's okay. We prepared so much. I'm sure Eric won't miss it. That's right, he won't.
Hi, guys.
Oh, it's Eric.
What's all this? Festival?
Eric, this festival is for you.
For me?
We knew you were disappointed because you missed the real festival.
I'm touched.
Also, Eric, we all went to the festival. We're really sorry.
Huh? You went to the festival?
Yeah. When you said you couldn't go, we really didn't want to go without you.
But we were curious, so we went to just take a look.
Oh,
We were very sorry, Eric.
I see. Actually, guys, I must confess too.
Confess?
Frankly, I went to the festival too.
What?
That night, as I was returning from work... Oh, it's still going strong. I should get the others and go. Wow, fireworks! So beautiful. I'll just take a look. And then I lost track of time. I'm really sorry, you guys.
Eric, how could you have fun without us? Not cool.
But we did the same thing to
Oh.
him.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
We may have gone separately, but at least we got to see the festival. That's right.
This time, let's have a lot of fun together.
Sounds good.
I want the coolest design you can draw.
You got it. Whoa, 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 whoa!
What? What's so funny?
Wow. Fix and Lift are so amazing. Enjoying this together makes it more fun. Thanks, you guys.
I'm so happy that you like it.
Actually, I prepared something too.
Oh?
It's right outside.
Wow, let's go now!
Hi. Did you have fun?
Oh, Teo, I thought you had another commitment.
I sure did. It was with Eric.
What? With Eric?
Yep. I asked Teo if he could light some fireworks.
Oh, Eric, you too?
Diesel went to Teo to ask for the same thing.
When Diesel came to me, after Eric asked for fireworks too, I felt awkward.
Seeing the fireworks without you made me feel guilty.
Wow, we had the same idea. That's so cool.
Okay, come on, guys. Let's start the show.
Yay!
Wow! Amazing!
It is, especially seeing it together.
Totally!
Eric and the little trains now know how much they care about each other.
Mr. Herb's day off.
It's a sunny afternoon. Oh, there's Titipo.
What a nice day! Right after work, I'm gonna go play with my friends. Loo, 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 la, la, la.
Excited about playing, Titipo forgets to make his stop and passes the station.
Stop.
Why isn't he stopping?
Get off. Oh, I can't wait to play! The outing's gonna be fun! We're at the station! Oh, goodness, I'm late.
Hey, what is this? You completely missed a station.
Why didn't you stop, Titipo? Oh no, I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'll take you back to the station.
Back? No way. If you go back, then what about us? We have plans too.
Oh, jeez, I'm in trouble. Mr. Herb!
Titipo, what's the matter?
Well, I forgot to make a stop and missed a station.
You forgot?
So some passengers couldn't get off.
Oh dear. Let's see here. Titipo, Eric will arrive shortly. Tell the passengers who missed their stop to transfer to Eric.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to be late.
Huh?
I'm here.
Phew. Hi, Eric!
Thanks to Mr. Herb, Eric has arrived.
I'm sorry, but passengers who need to go back a stop, transfer to Eric, please. I'm very sorry. Oh.
With Mr. Herb's help, Titipo can continue with his shift. Done with work, Titipo is back at Choo Choo Town.
Oh? Mr. Herb's still working.
Yes, I apologize.
Oh, it must be because of me. I feel terrible.
It's the next day, and Titipo is at the control center bright and early.
Good morning, Mr. Herb.
Huh? It's your day off. What are you doing here?
I was worried because you worked until late yesterday.
I'm all right. I'm taking a day off myself. Chi-Chi and I are going fishing.
That sounds nice. Can I give you a lift, Mr. Herb?
Oh, really? Why, thank you.
My pleasure.
Titipo takes Mr. Herb and Chi-Chi to the lake.
There. We're here, Mr. Herb.
Whoopsie daisy. Thanks for the ride, Titipo.
Anytime.
What is it? Huh?
Wow.
What a spectacular view. Huh? Whoa, Chi-Chi! Slow down, boy.
I'm off, sir. I'll come back to pick you up.
All right. Thanks again, Titipo.
Have fun. La la la. I hope Mr. Herb gets to enjoy his day off. Oh, it's Jeannie. Hi, Jeannie. Yuck! What's this bad smell? happened to you? As I was passing by the farm, I got fertilizer on me. And it's almost time for my shift. I'd better radio Mr. Herb. Mr. Herb? Yeah. Wait, don't do that! Because of me, Mr. Herb couldn't rest yesterday, and if we bother him now... Jeannie, why don't I take your shift? You get washed. But it's your day off today. It's no big deal. I'll just take over until you finish your wash. Thank you, Titipo.
Titipo worked hard while Jeannie was getting clean.
We're at the station. Have a nice day, everyone. Titipo. Oh, Jeannie. Thanks so much. I can take over from here. See you later, Jeannie. Later, Titipo. Phew. Thank goodness we didn't have to call and bother Mr. Herb. Oh, it's Eric.
Oh.
Mommy.
Oh, jeez. Don't cry.
Eric, what's going on?
Oh, Titipo. The boy got lost at the station. I'm looking after him till his mom gets here. But he keeps crying and he won't stop.
He must be scared.
I'm afraid I'm going to have to call Mr. Herb.
What? But it's Mr. Herb's day off today.
Yeah, I know, but I can't seem to make him stop crying.
Let me give it a try. Hello, do you have a name? Junie. Hey, Junie, want to sing a song? Sing a song? Titipo, titipo, titili titipo. You know this song, don't you? Yeah. Titipo, titipo, titili titipo. Fun, right? Yes. Sing with me. Going fast on the tracks. Junie, is there something else you want to do? I want to see Choo Choo Town. Choo Choo Town? Let's go! Yay!
Titipo is giving Junie the grand tour of Choo Choo Town.
This is the fuel station. Awesome! This is the auditorium. And this is the train wash. Whoa! Go past the clock tower. Yeah? Ta-da! And you'll find our quarters. Wow, cool. Want to see inside? Yes. It's so big. The ceiling's really high, too. Whoa, awesome. It's so cool.
Titipo, I owe you.
No prob. Titipo, Titipo.
Junie's mom has finally arrived.
Thank you for watching, Junie.
No problem.
All right, we should get going. Junie, say goodbye.
Titipo, Eric, goodbye. I'll come visit you soon. See you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'm so glad that we didn't bother Mr. Herb.
Me too. Good job, Titipo.
Oh, yeah, that reminds me. Mr. Herb, I have to go pick him up. I wonder if he caught any fish.
Better get going.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Mr. Herb is having a relaxing time fishing.
I wonder how the little trains are doing. No emergencies, I guess. Oh. There! Gotcha! Oh, picture! And 1, 2, whoa! Oh dear. I'll have to take another one.
Loo, la, la, la. Huh? That's Loco. Is something wrong? Why are you going so slow? Titipo, I have way too much cargo. Normally I would ask another train to help, but no freight train was available today. Really? I don't think I'll make it on time. I'll have to radio Mr. Herb and let him know. What? Wait, hold on! What if I help you haul? You haul? Think you can handle it? Absolutely! Now, let's link up, Loco. Yeah, okay.
Oh, you frightened me, Chi-Chi. Huh? Oh, that looks like... Is that Titipo hauling freight cars? Are my eyes playing tricks? Huh? All right, let's play ball. Yeah.
Titipo and Loco have arrived safely before the ship left.
Thank you for helping, Titipo. Sure.
Titipo, it's mighty impressive of you to haul freight, kid.
It was nothing. I'm gonna head off now. Loco, I'll see you back in town.
Goodbye, Titipo.
Good boy, Chi-Chi.
Mr. Herb!
Hi, Titipo! Was everything all right in town?
What? Yes. Nothing that couldn't be handled. Did you have a nice break, sir?
I did. I haven't been this relaxed in a while.
I'm glad to hear that.
It seems Chi-Chi's relaxed too. Let's
Thanks
go.
to Titipo, Mr. Herb had a nice day off. Way to go, Titipo.
A special day for Diesel.
It's snowing in Choo Choo Town.
Wow! It's snowing!
Hi, Diesel.
Oh! Hi, Titipo. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Finally, tomorrow is Christmas Day. Yay!
I wonder what kind of present I'll get.
Present? Are you sure that you'll get one?
What do you mean by that?
Well, everyone knows only nice trains get presents.
Rude!
I've got to go. See you later, Diesel.
Hey, come back! It's not funny, Titipo.
Diesel,
Oh, yes, Mr. Herb?
you know you have a checkup today, right?
Yes, sir.
Then go now and get it over with.
Yes, sir.
Diesel's on his way to the production plant for his routine checkup.
So he doesn't think I'm getting a present? Bah, humbug!
Hi, Diesel. Didn't you wash today?
Nope, this is clean for my standards.
Ew, gross.
Loco! Sorry!
Diesel! Yikes, that's loud!
I got you good!
Diesel, stop playing pranks!
Oh, maybe I really won't get a present. Oh. Hi, Tail.
Hey there, Diesel. You look a little down today.
It's 'cause I don't think I'll get a Christmas present.
Huh? Why?
I haven't done many nice things this year.
That's not true. I wouldn't worry, Diesel.
Okay.
Checkup completed. Diesel is on his way back to town.
Well, what's this weird sound? Oh, it looks like a train. But it's flying. Unbelievable. Oh, it's coming down. Let's go see.
It's bad. It'll take some time to fix.
This is terrible.
Excuse me.
Oh?
You were just flying in the sky, right?
I guess we got caught.
Well, you see, I'm sorry, but can you do us a favor?
A favor?
We seem to have broken down. Think you could give us a tow?
I'd be grateful.
Sure, I can give you a tow. I'm linked up. Come on board.
Thank you. Now, let's get going, Diesel.
Okay, here we go. Oh, but how did you know my name, sir?
Let's say I have my ways.
After following the conductor's directions, they come upon a dense forest.
What is this place? I've never been here before.
We're almost there now.
Yes, sir. Oh,
To your right.
right? What's a building doing here? Wow! Whoa! It's so high! It looked much smaller from outside.
Diesel, you can stop here.
Will do. Wow! Look at all the containers.
I'm supposed to transport them, but how can I in this state?
I'll haul them for you.
Oh, how kind. Thank you so much, Diesel.
No prob. There.
I owe you, Diesel.
It's no big deal.
All right, let's get to loading.
Okay.
Diesel has offered his services to help them out.
Titipo Titipo.
So, sir, what's our destination?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. All this must be delivered to the North Pole tonight.
The North Pole?
That's right.
But it's so far. We won't make it, sir.
Now, don't you worry. I have my ways.
Ways? What's happening? What in the world?
If we fly, we should get to the North Pole by tonight, right?
Who are you? How are you able to make me fly?
Never mind that. Enjoy the view.
View? Wow! It's beautiful!
Now, make tracks and fly like the wind.
Okay! Woohoo!
Diesel is flying to the North Pole.
Wow! Oh? Whoa! So cool!
Diesel!
Yes?
It's time to head back down.
Will do! Oh, wow! Whoa! Oh.
Yo-ho! You made it!
Oh, it's good to see you.
We've arrived, sir!
Nice work, Diesel.
So, what is this place, sir?
This is Santa Village.
What?
We just transported the Christmas presents for all the Santas in the world.
Whoa!
It's a different train. I was worried when I heard yours had broken down.
Fortunately, this train offered to help me instead.
Oh, thanks to you, we have presents to give to the children for Christmas. I'm grateful, Diesel.
Oh, it was nothing. Oh, but how do you all know my name?
We Santas can just look at children's faces and their names come to us.
We have a long journey ahead of us. We should switch cargo and get going.
Yes, of course.
See you next year.
Goodbye!
Safe travels, old friend.
Diesel unloaded the gifts he brought and got reloaded with gifts for the children in his country.
You're all set to go.
Great!
Goodbye. Take care.
Bye. Safe travels.
Diesel, let's move out.
Okay, moving on out!
Merry Christmas, Diesel!
Once again loaded with gifts, Diesel leaves Santa Village.
I can't believe I'm hauling Christmas gifts. I have a question.
Ask away.
Do only nice children get Christmas presents from Santa?
Yes, that's correct.
Why did I play so many pranks?
I take it you're a jokester. You must be worried, Diesel.
It's not funny, sir.
We're almost there. Time to head back down.
Okay.
You must be exhausted, Diesel.
I'm okay. I actually had fun.
You really did us a big favor. The presents you hauled will be delivered to deserving children tonight.
Kids who get presents are so lucky. I'm gonna head back home now.
Diesel!
Whoa! Santa Claus?
Because of you, the children will be very happy. Thank you. Also, Merry Christmas, Diesel!
You too, Santa. Merry Christmas!
Diesel is on his way back to Choo Choo Town.
Oh! It's snowing.
By the time Diesel returns home, Mr. Herb is asleep, and the night is quiet and still.
Everyone is sleeping. Merry Christmas, friends.
After working all day, Diesel falls fast asleep. It's the next morning.
Diesel, come out here. It's so cute.
Where did it come from?
Did you do this, Mr. Herb?
Nice. No, it's not me.
Morning, everyone.
Hi. Diesel, you're finally awake. Take a look at that.
What? What is that?
It's a toy train set.
Wow, it's so cute. Who made this?
That's a good question.
Maybe Santa made this for us as a present.
You could be right.
The toy train set is a special present for Diesel and the little trains. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Merry Christmas! Manny and Berny are movie stars.
Done with work, Bernie is going back to Choo Choo Town. I have to hurry so I can watch Guardian X.
Hey, wait up!
Who's that? Oh.
Hi there.
Guardian X?
Do you have a minute to talk now?
Sure, I'm all yours.
Wondering if you'd like to be in a movie?
In a movie?
Mm-hmm. There's a freight train in the new Guardian X movie, and you'd be perfect for it.
You think so?
I do. Come to the set tomorrow and audition for it.
Okay, I'll be there.
Excellent. What's your name?
My name's Bernie.
I like it. Well, till tomorrow, Bernie.
Okay.
Wow, seriously? You met Guardian X?
Mm-hmm. He invited me to the set.
Congrats, Bernie. Does this mean you're going to be acting in the movie?
I don't have the part yet. I'm going to audition for it.
Ha ha ha, that's great. I'm sure you'll get it.
Can I ask for a favor?
Sure.
Would you come support me? I'm a bit nervous.
Of course. What are brothers for?
Thanks, Manny.
Hey, guys.
Oh?
Hello, Jenny.
Hello, Manny, Bernie. You're Manny. And you're Bernie, right?
Wrong.
What?
I'm Manny.
And I'm Bernie.
Ah, whoopsie. sorry. I still can't tell you apart.
If you look closely, we have slightly different coloring.
Our stripes are different too.
Whoa, you're right. Anyway, what were you guys talking about?
I got asked to audition for a Guardian X movie.
I'm going with them for support.
Wow, really? Congrats! Best of luck, Bernie.
Thank you. The next day, Manny and Bernie head to the Guardian X audition. Whoa! Oh, there's Guardian X!
Wow, in the flesh!
Hi, Guardian X. It's me, Bernie.
Oh, you're here. Whoa! You guys look identical.
Yeah, this is my twin brother, Manny.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Manny. Likewise. Bernie, if you're ready, we can start the audition.
Sure.
You've got this, Bernie.
Thanks. Finally, the audition for the movie is beginning.
Okay, let's start rolling.
You can do this, Bernie.
Ready? Action!
Oh no! He's getting away!
Guardian X! Hurry, get on!
Cut! Bernie, can we do that again in a more manly voice?
Okay.
Take 2. Ready? Action!
Oh no! He's getting away!
Guardian X! Hurry, get on!
Cut!
Huh?
He's good, but his voice isn't right. Huh? He might do. Bernie.
Yes?
That train over there is your twin brother, right?
Yes, my twin brother, Manny.
Right, Manny. Manny, how about it? Want to try some acting?
What? Me?
Okay, ready? Action!
Yeah! Guardian X, get on!
Perfecto! Your voice is great. Okay, Manny, the train roll is yours.
What? The train roll?
Yep.
But...
What just happened now?
Look here, Bernie.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gone with you.
It's okay.
Bernie, ask for another audition. I'm sure...
Drop it, will you? Good luck acting.
Oh, I feel bad.
The little trains have finished work and just learned of Manny's good news.
Congrats, Manny. Hi, guys, I'm back. Hi,
Jenny.
Get this. Manny's gonna be in Guardian X's new movie. Manny?
Yeah, he'll be acting with Guardian X. He's so lucky.
That's strange.
I'm great
I
at
thought
acting
Bernie
too,
was
you know.
auditioning. So how did Manny get it? Manny, could you get Guardian X's autograph for us? I want both Guardian X's and Manny's autograph.
Guys, sorry, but I'm not going to be in the movie.
What? Why?
Just 'cause. I don't think it'll be fun.
Why wouldn't it be fun? You'd be acting in a movie with Guardian X.
So, no autographs?
Sorry, but no.
Phooey.
Is it because of Bernie? Titipo Titipo!
Drop it, will you? Good luck acting. I should have been happy. Instead, I was petty and mean.
Huh? It's Manny!
Oh no, Jenny has mistaken Bernie for Manny again.
Hey,
Oh, hi, Jenny.
is it because of Bernie?
What?
You feel bad for Bernie and that's why you're not doing the movie.
What?
But if you don't do it, Bernie might get more upset.
Really? Manny won't do the movie because of me? This isn't what I want.
Oops, it was Bernie? Not again. I keep messing up.
Manny!
Huh? Oh, Bernie!
Are you really not doing the Guardian X movie?
I'm not. How did you find out?
Manny, are you not doing it because of me?
That's silly. It's not that.
Honestly, I really want you to be in the movie.
You do?
I'm sorry for being petty before.
Bernie, you sure you really won't mind?
I'm positive. Plus, you're a great actor.
Hey, guys.
Oh. Hey, Jenny.
I'm sorry, Bernie. I got you confused again, and I misspoke.
Don't worry, Jenny. It's okay. Thanks to you, Manny's doing the movie again.
Really? That's great news. I'm happy for you.
Wait, thanks to Jenny? What does that mean?
Well, just before, Jenny thought that I was you and asked me if I wasn't doing the movie. It's Manny's first day of shooting. Bernie came for support. Wow, you look great, Manny.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Action!
Oh no, the villain has run away. What do I do?
Guardian X!
Oh. Yeah. Get on, gladly. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Cut! We got it!
Manny, that was great.
Thank you.
Manny!
Hey,
You were super cool.
thanks, Bernie.
Manny,
Oh,
you were great today. I expect the same tomorrow.
yes, of course, sir.
Tomorrow you'll work with a stunt dog.
First, I'll rescue the dog. Then you race off with us on board.
Did you say dog? Oh, there's just no way. I can't do it. I can't. I'm really afraid of dogs.
Don't be. I'm sure the dog won't hurt you.
Please, can you do it for me instead? You know I have a fear of animals.
But my voice isn't right for the role.
Oh, yeah. Then what am I going to do?
There has to be a good solution.
Hi, guys.
Whoa.
I think I have the perfect method.
Method?
Yeah, the method to telling you apart without any confusion.
So what is it?
Drum roll, it's your voice.
It's
It's
our
our
voice?
Yeah, Manny has a deep, manly voice.
Hello, I'm Manny.
And Bernie has a soft and soothing voice.
Hi, my name's Bernie. Oh.
How can you look so alike but have such completely different voices?
We look so alike, but our voices are different? Manny, don't worry. I figured out how we can shoot tomorrow's scene.
Really? What's the plan?
We'll both be in the scene together.
Both? Aha! Jenny, thank you so much.
Well, for what?
We're starting. Stand by.
Ready? Action!
Guardian X! Hurry, get on! I'm right here!
It's urgent. The dog is injured.
Just leave it to me. Sit back. I'll take you to the hospital safely.
Oh, so Bernie's in the scene with the dog, and Manny's lending his voice.
Cut! Okay, that's a keeper.
Bernie, that was great.
Thanks, Guardian X.
Bernie!
Good work. You're truly amazing.
No, I'm not. You're amazing.
You both are. You make a great team.
The dog! Get the dog away from me!
Finally, it's the opening night of the Guardian X movie that Manny and Bernie shot.
Wow, that's
Guardian
you!
X! Hurry, get on. I'm over here. It's urgent. The dog is injured.
Just leave it to me. Sit back. I'll take you to the hospital safely.
Wow! So the voice is Manny's? That means both Manny and Bernie are in the movie.
They're so cool, like real actors.
The twin freight trains Manny and Bernie have become movie stars. Congratulations, you two.
Eric is the best.
Eric is on his way to transport passengers.
Hi, everyone. Hello, Eric.
Thanks for the ride, Eric.
Sure. Oh.
I'm not getting on the train.
Why not, sweetie?
Oh.
It's really scary.
But it's not.
What's the holdup?
Eric, can't you do something?
I have to go or else I'll be late. Excuse me, ma'am. I have to leave now.
Can we go?
Eric, why aren't we going? What do I do?
Done with work, Eric is returning to Choo Choo Town.
I'm back, sir.
Eric, you must be tired.
Yes.
Oh, yes, that's right. Tomorrow the kindergartners are coming for a field trip.
Kindergartners?
I'm counting on your help. All you have to do is show the kids around Choo Choo Town.
Sure.
That sounds fun.
I'm back.
Hi, Eric.
Hi, guys.
Eric, have you heard the news? The kindergarten kids are visiting.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Me too, me too. I can't wait for tomorrow to come. Where should we go first?
Well, you're lucky that I'm not helping, because I'm an awesome guide.
Oh, come on.
I'd be the most popular. Children just love me, you know.
Oh, please.
It's the truth.
Diesel seems really good with kids. Everyone else gets along with children, but what about me? Maybe Diesel can help.
So, you want to know how to get along with kids?
Yeah. Can you help me, Diesel?
Well, I'm not sure. Just kidding. I'll help. First things first, sing a song for the kids.
A song?
That's right. Sing a fun song to grab their attention.
Got it.
Then tell them an interesting story.
What kind of story?
An old children's story or a fairy tale.
Wow, great idea. You're amazing, Diesel.
Listen up. A secret tip between you and me.
Wow.
Go to Andy.
Andy? Hi, Andy.
Eric, nice to see you.
Andy, do you have time to paint something on me?
On you?
Yes, it's for the kids who are coming to town on a field trip.
Oh, I see. Sure, no problem.
Make me look good, please.
After getting painted by Andy, Eric rushes back to town.
I hope the kids like this. Oh, what was that rumbling? Oh, that's cold. Oh no, it's raining. I'd better hurry back.
Oh dear, what bad luck. The rain might ruin the painting.
Children, this is Mr. Herb. Hello, Mr. Herb.
Hello, children. Welcome to Choo Choo Town.
Eric is late. Yeah, it's weird.
I'm here.
Huh?
Hello.
Ah!
Eric.
Teacher, that train looks strange.
What? What's the matter?
Eric, what's wrong with your face? All your paint has run into a mess.
What? I just got this done. Then it rained.
With the children on board, the little trains are giving a tour around Choo Choo Town.
Hey, kids, it's the fuel station.
Wow, that's so cool. Hurry, let's go see it.
Oh, but we have to wait our turn. There's another group who came before us.
I'm bored.
Hey, kids, want to hear a song?
Yeah!
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo. Happy, happy, so very happy when you're happy. Chug, a choo, choo, sing out loud with glee.
Stop singing!
Really? Then how about a fun story?
A fun story? Okay.
I'll tell them the Three Little Pigs story. Once upon a time, there were 3 little wolves. Then one day, a strong pig showed up.
A strong pig?
Isn't it 3 pigs, not 3 wolves?
That's right. I'll start over. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs.
The little trains gathered after the field trip.
The field trip was really fun. It was. They got to see our quarters, and the train watched too. The kids enjoyed every minute. How was it for you?
For me?
Hi, guys. Yes, teacher.
Do you want to take a picture with the kids?
Of course. Okay, kids, stand over here.
I don't think the kids will want a picture with me.
Eric, aren't you coming?
Go ahead. I'm heading in.
You are? Why?
I want to wash off this paint. I'll see you later.
I tried, but I'm just not good with kids.
Titipo Titipo!
A few days later, Eric is on his way back to Choo Choo Town after finishing work.
Huh? That's Kinder. Wonder what's wrong. Hi, Kinder.
Hey, Eric.
Oh, it's you, Eric.
Yes, hello. Is something the matter?
We were on our way to the zoo, but Kinder broke down all of a sudden.
The other buses are busy, so I don't think we can do the outing.
Should I give them a lift? No, the kids don't like me. I ruined their field trip.
We can't go to the zoo? I want to see the animals.
They must have looked forward to the outing. Excuse me, teacher?
Yes?
Is it all right if I take you to the zoo in Kinder's place?
Seriously? I'd be grateful.
Wow!
Wow, thank goodness.
Teacher, so are we going to the zoo? And are we gonna have a picnic too?
Yes. Thanks to Eric, we can go on our outing.
Wow! Thank you so much, Eric!
Sure.
Yeah!
Eric is taking the excited children to the zoo.
Wow!
Okay, we're here.
Thanks, Eric. Careful.
Under construction?
I'm sorry, but the zoo's closed today.
I wanted to see the animals.
There must be a way. Excuse me, I can take you to another place.
Huh?
There are animals there too, a lot of them.
Really? Well, I can't wait!
Eric is taking the children to the farm.
Wow, baby cows! Wow, they're so cute!
Hello, sir.
Eric, what brings you here?
Actually, I need a favor.
Huh? A favor? What do you need?
I have kids on board, and I was hoping they could have a tour.
Of course. My pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
The kindergartners are having a wonderful time at the farm.
Squeeze, and the milk comes out.
Wow! That's so cool!
It looks like they're having fun. I'm glad. Thank you. Goodbye, sir.
You're welcome. Bye, Eric.
Eric, the farm was the best of the best! It's true! It was way more fun than a regular zoo! Thank you for taking us, Eric!
It was my pleasure.
Children, it's time to go home.
I don't want to go yet.
Teacher, can't we play with Eric for just a bit longer?
Well, I'm sure Eric is tired.
I'm actually fine. I can show you more spots.
Really? That'd be great.
Okay, and away we go.
Eric takes the children past the way station, where wildflowers are in bloom.
Wow, so pretty!
All the way to the harbor by the sea.
Hey, kids, look up.
Welcome!
It's Grady!
Chug, chug, choo, choo, chug, chug, a choo, choo.
Happy, happy, so very happy. When you're happy, chug a choo choo, sing out loud with glee.
It's finally time for them to part.
Thanks to Eric, we were able to have a fun and safe outing today.
This was the best outing we've ever gone on! You're the best, Eric!
That's sweet.
I'm sad that we have to say goodbye. Me too.
Eric, will you take a picture with us?
Yes, please!
Well, Eric, what do you say?
Of course.
Yay! So excited!
Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3.
It looks like Eric and the children have gotten close during the outing. You really were the best today, Eric.